Gross negligence refers to carelessness, which is in reckless disregard for the safety or lives of others, and is so great it appears to be a conscious violation of other people's rights to safety. It is more than simple inadvertence, but it is just shy of being intentionally evil. If one has borrowed or contracted to take care of another's property, then gross negligence is the failure to actively take the care one would of his or her own property. If gross negligence is found by the trier of fact, judge, or jury, it can result in the award of punitive damages on top of general and special damages.